I'm gonna show you the correct way how to program your garage door opener. This is the keyless. These instructions are totally wrong. It will work if you do it like this, but it's gonna only work for a couple of days, and it also interfere with your other garage door openers that you have in your vehicles. So here's the real correct instructions right here. I went and purchased one of these. It tells you to press and hold this number and then enter your PIN and enter the number corresponding to what your garage door opener is. I have the purple one, so I'm gonna have to enter it twice. So I'm gonna just walk you through the process on how to do this. It's real simple. So first, what you wanna do is hold this until the light stop blinking, like they said. And what you want to do is enter a code. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit the pound. And then you want to hit the enter button twice, cause mine's purple. 1, 2, and then hit the 0. Now you want to go to your garage door opener here, and you want to hit your learn button, which is right here. I know it's hard to see with that light. You hit the learn button, and it's gonna stay bright for 30 seconds. So you got 30 seconds to enter your code. So we're gonna go here and enter the code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna hold this enter button, hold it in until your light blinks. And that's it. So once I did that, everything started working correctly for me. So we're gonna lower this. Let's wait till it stops blinking. So we're gonna hit the enter and lower it. You can see the garage door is lowered. Like I said, I've been having a whole lot of problems with these instructions. So don't follow this. Follow the instructions I just showed you on the new one, and everything will work fine. So I'm gonna actually take this one back. I don't need it because now my old one is working properly. So I'm gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit the enter. And that's it. Before I had to enter and enter and enter, sometimes it didn't work. So if you ever have that problem, make sure you follow the instructions I just did. Even though these instructions on this old one, it will work, like I said, for a couple of days and it'll mess everything else up. So you want to follow these instructions right here. So you press and hold the pound and enter button until the light stop blinking. Enter your 4-digit PIN and hit the pound button. Then you want to enter, press the enter button the number of times that corresponds to your garage door opener. And mine has the purple, which I had to hit the enter twice. Then you press the 0. Once you press the 0, you go to your garage door opener and you hit the learn button. Then on your keypad, you want to enter your 4-digit PIN and hold the enter button until the light blinks. And that's it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.